Google is looking for AI ambassadors, and if you are crazy about AI, this is your perfect opportunity to participate, win swags, goodies, and even cash prizes. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. In this video, we'll talk about the Google Gemini Student Ambassador Program, where you can not only learn, you can earn cool swags also and prizes too. So what is the criteria? All things will cover in detail. So make sure you like the video and share it with everyone. Now coming over here in the home page, who can apply in this program and what are the benefits? So first of all, before applying in this program, you must be 18 years of old and must be an undergraduate student at any recognized university. Okay, you must be a participant and a college student because you have to lead some of the sessions on your college, and these are the important things you need to know. Now, what is the benefit of it? You'll be getting a chance to connect with Googlers and Gemini expert, and you'll be getting a chance to become a Google student ambassador. Will be just not only working with Google. Apart from this, you'll be working with the college team also and just creating workshops also. You'll be getting free access to the Gemini and exciting certificates and a visit to Google Office. Now, what is the program? Here, you'll be hosting peer hand learning sessions. If you have known about the Microsoft student ambassador, similar to it, it is a Google Ambassador program where you have to just host sessions and at college events at your own college campus, right? And you have to help your peers, means your friends, to know more about the Gemini, how it works, all the things. Apart from this, you'll be getting a Google certification of completion, e-vouchers and exciting swags and access to Googlers and Gemini tools. Okay, so you can see you can apply if you have these skills, like you have problem solving skills, you are an AI enthusiast and campus leader. So how to apply? Let's cover it. First of all, here you need to understand what you'll be getting, that you'll be getting these many points also, and you'll be getting the rewards. So first of all, let's come to the registration process. So this is the form. I have shared the link in the description box. Now here you have to enter the email. Mostly it will be selected with which you have signed in. So you have to simply click on record, and here you have to add a referral ID. Okay. So if you don't have a referral ID, you can just leave it as it is. And now here, full name, phone number, email ID, college details, you have to fill all these details. Okay. After that, you have to select your state and city where your college is located, not your home. Okay. You have to share the city of the college where it is located, where you are studying. Now you have to mention the year, which year you are in, and then you have to select the course. If you have other course also, you can just mention over here, right? And it is not a compulsion that if you are from different background, like if you are only from BTech, then only you'll be able to participate in this event. You can clearly see they have mentioned BSc, MSc, and even mass communication also. So if you are having any other stream also, you can just mention it. And after that, you have to share your Instagram ID. If you don't have, you can create it, and then LinkedIn account. So let's move ahead. So let me just show you a demo how you have to do it. So and then you have to share the real mobile number. Okay, now, okay, and here you have to enter the email address where all the communications will be shared. So I'm just adding this email address, and here you have to enter your college, and then you have to enter the state. I'm just adding random data. Okay, do not worry that I don't know about these states. So let me just filter it directly. Okay, so here you have to just select your status and like this, and you have to enter the Instagram and LinkedIn profile. So let me add it. Now from here, simply click on next. And after that, you have to share all the things that you'll be able to post all the details on your college WhatsApp or not. You can just select any one of this. Okay. So how you'll get 30 students from most of your campus. Okay. So you can just select this thing, and then you have to just answer as per your understanding. Okay. And then you can just share it and just do all the things like this. You have to simply fill it. So they have made a filter that what thing you'll be doing first and last. So you have to just select anyone. Okay, so you can just add it first, second, third, like this. And after that, a classmate says why you're shifting for Okay, so what you're likely to do, so you can select this option and simply click on next. And this is a sample required question. So you can just select like this, next. So you can just select all or mostly three, whatever you like, and then okay. After that, you have to just describe one spot of your campus where students regularly wait. So you have to just fill it all things yourself. So let me just write sample. Okay. So you have to mostly explain them how you can reach the fastest 500 students in your campus in next 24 hours with a specific channel if you have a group or person. Also, you have to share the common areas and any upcoming events which is running like we have dev fest, etc. So you can mention over here. And then once you fill all these details, it has to be filled by yourself. Okay. If you need a specific video, you can comment down below. I'll cover that form information also. Now you have to click on next, and then a brand approaches to promote your brand you have never used. Okay. Try the product first and only promote if it is genuinely okay. So like this, you have to just fill the form and just type it, and you have to simply click on submit. Now, once you click on submit, a copy of response will be shared to you mostly. But if it is not, do not worry, you'll receive the update whenever they just approve your application. So this is the quick thing I wanted to share. If you want a detailed guide how to just fill the form, you can comment down below. And here you can see there are reward structure. So if you hit bronze, means if you have hit in these criterias, right, then you'll be getting these kind of prices. You can see cash browser is there, 1 month preview to premium subscription is there, and all the criterias. Okay, so these reward structure is based on the engagement. Okay, so you can just apply all the details I've already covered. Mostly you have to first of all fill the form and get selected. After that we'll cover all the things. So if you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. And thank you, have a great day ahead.